Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Hacks. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. For that, you need to hop into Instagram application. Make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. Then tap on the message icon which is at the upper right corner of the screen. Once you get access on this message page, you need to select the user or the Instagram friend or the followers that you have earlier. Turn on the Vanish mode of the chat. So once you open here, you can see that you have turned on the Vanish mode. So in order to turn off the Vanish mode, you can simply tap on your username at the top of the screen, and once you get access on the space, tap on privacy and safety button. After a while, you can see here Vanish mode, so you need to simply toggle off this button, and now here you can see that you have already turned off the Vanish mode of this chat. So another way is also there. Simply let me show you. So swiping up will turn on the Vanish mode, and again if you swipe up with your finger in this way, then the Vanish mode will automatically turn off from this chat. So this is how you easily turn off the Vanish mode on Instagram. Hope so you got the information well. If this information was useful for you, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell of this channel so to never miss an upcoming video from our channel. Thank you guys.